Imagine this. You've just stepped off a 10-hour flight, exhausted and jet-lagged, with visions of sandy beaches or cozy hotel beds dancing in your head. You make your way to the baggage carousel, eyes scanning the conveyor belt for your suitcase, but it never shows. 5 minutes turn into 10, then 20, and finally, it hits you. Your bag is gone. You're stranded in a foreign city with no clothes, no essentials, and no clue what happened. And the worst part? That feeling of helplessness could have been completely avoided. Every year, airlines lose millions of bags. Yes, millions. Some get recovered, many don't. And guess what? Most of it is preventable if you know the tricks. But not just any tricks. These are the tricks the airlines really wish you wouldn't find out. Why? Because the less you know, the easier it is for them to mess up and offer nothing in return. So before you pack your next bag, take 5 minutes to read these 11 luggage hacks airlines hate because they just might save your entire trip. Oh, and while you're here, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. You'll thank yourself later when you're breezing through baggage claim like a legend instead of pacing around like you lost a limb. Hack number 1. File fast, recover first. Here's what separates the rookies from the travel ninjas. When your bag doesn't show, don't just stand there hoping. File a claim immediately, even before leaving the baggage area. Some apps let you file right from your phone. Don't be polite. Don't assume it'll work out. Be that person who gets things done. You'll be at your hotel with an apology voucher while everyone else is still in line at the service counter. Trust us, there's no award for being the most patient victim. Hack number 2, use the airline's tracking system, because they won't tell you about it. Did you know many airlines now track your bag at multiple points? From check-in to transfer to arrival. But less than 20% of passengers use this feature. Why? Because airlines don't exactly advertise it. Download your airline's app before your flight. Use the Track My Bags option after you check in. Turn on push notifications. Suddenly, you know more about your bag's journey than your own. And if it gets left behind, you'll know before you land and can act before the lost luggage line forms. Hack number 3, get insurance that doesn't suck. Newsflash, airlines won't reimburse you for your $1,500 DSLR or those designer heels. Most cap reimbursement at around $3,500, and that's if they accept your claim. Enter luggage insurance, not the sketchy fine print kind, but actual policies that cover what you pack. Bonus, some premium credit cards come with great baggage protection, even if you didn't know it. Read the perks. They're hidden, like treasure maps, but the kind that actually pay off. Hack number 4, treat your claim, check like a sacred scroll. You know that little barcode they slap on your boarding pass or passport at check-in? That's not trash. That's your ticket to retrieving lost luggage. Lose it, and you're just some person with a sad story and no proof. Snap a photo immediately, then email it to yourself with the subject line, Travel Docs, your destination. Now you've got a backup, even if your phone goes swimming in your cappuccino. This is how pros travel, quietly paranoid but prepared. Hack number 5, build a visual inventory. When your bag goes missing, you'll be asked to describe it. And no, saying it's black with wheels is not helpful. That describes 98% of the bags at the airport. Snap pics of your suitcase from all angles. Include the brand, stickers, tags, weird scuff marks, the works. Take shots of the contents too, organized, not a mountain of clothes. That way you've got proof for insurance and helpful images if the airline needs to hunt it down. Store it all in the cloud, because if it's only on your phone and that dies, well, we're back to the beginning, aren't we? Hack number 6, know where your bag is. Always gone are the days of blind trust. Luggage tracking tech is here, and it's a game changer. AirTags, Tile, GPS trackers, pick your fighter. Pop it into a side pocket of your suitcase, deep enough so it's not easily found, and track it like a hawk. Lost luggage? Now you don't wait at the counter while someone shrugs and says, "We'll look into it." You tell them exactly where it is. And here's a bonus. Some premium credit cards actually reimburse you for buying these trackers. Yes, finally a reason to justify that annual fee. Hack number 7, fix the pen trick vulnerability. Fun fact, your zipper is lying to you. It looks secure, especially with a lock, but anyone with a pen can stab right between the teeth, open your bag, and zip it back up like nothing happened. Creepy, right? This trick is luggage thieves' favorite move, but there's a cheap, fast fix. Zip ties. Just loop a colorful one through the zipper pulls. It won't stop a determined thief, but it will stop one that's hoping for a quick grab and go. And if the tie's broken when you pick up your bag, red flag. Hack number 8. Don't let TSA cut you loose. You may think your padlock from the hardware store is secure, but TSA thinks otherwise. They'll cut it faster than you can say, "I thought this was safe." Then, they'll zip tie your suitcase shut and hope you don't notice until you're standing in front of your hotel in Rome trying to figure out how to open your own luggage. TSA-approved locks are your best friend. They let the authorities do their job without leaving your stuff vulnerable. And if you're still using 1234 or 000 as your combo, please, even your dog could crack that code. Hack number 9. Choose battle-ready luggage. Soft-sided bags are like that friend who says they can fight, but cries when someone raises their voice. They fold, rip, soak, and slice. Hard-shell luggage, on the other hand, that's your loyal sidekick in every baggage battle. Rain? No problem. Being thrown from a moving cart? It'll survive. Choose polycarbonate if you want something durable but still lightweight. And if you really want to level up, go for a model with water-resistant zippers and built-in TSA locks. Because no one wants to find their swimsuit smelling like airport tarmac. Hack number 10. Leave room for safety and souvenirs. We get it. You want to bring your whole wardrobe because who knows what you might feel like wearing on day 4 of vacation. But if you have to sit on your suitcase to zip it up, you've already lost. Overpacking isn't just inconvenient, it's a hazard. TSA agents opening your overstuffed bag aren't taking the time to fold your shirts with love. They're jamming it shut, praying the zipper holds. Do yourself a favor. Leave a little breathing room. Your suitcase shouldn't look like a can of Pringles after takeoff. Plus, future. You will be grateful when you're trying to cram in that overpriced airport hoodie. Hack number 11. Secret identity for your suitcase. Most travelers trust those flimsy airline baggage tags a little too much. One wrong bump, one careless baggage handler, and that tag is history. Now your suitcase is spinning around the system with zero identity, like a lost dog without a collar. Here's the move. Give your bag a secret identity. Slip a card inside the main compartment with your name, email, phone number, with country code, and destination address. Protect it in a Ziploc or plastic sleeve in case your shampoo explodes mid-flight. It's like your suitcase's passport. No ID, no homecoming. Still here? You've made it past the halfway mark, which probably means you're smarter than the average traveler. Or you've had your bag lost before and swore never again. Either way, if you're nodding along to these tips and thinking, wow, why don't more people know this stuff? That's your cue. Go ahead. Like the video, drop a comment about your worst luggage nightmare. And yes, hit that bell. The travel gods are watching. Now, if you're still reading this, wow, you're not just a casual traveler. You're someone who's serious about never losing their bag again. So here's a not-so-secret secret. People who know this stuff also know where to find more of it. That little button up there? The one you've been pretending not to notice? Yeah, click it. Subscribing isn't just for fans, it's for smart travelers. And let's be honest, you already missed enough flights. Don't miss out on what's coming next. Travel smart, laugh a little, and never ever trust that baggage claim carousel again.